how to fix failed to load onlinefix64.dll error. So if you want to fix failed to load onlinefix64.dll error, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Steam and then go with library, which will be in the top left. Go and select the game in which you are facing the problem. Once you do that, you need to right click on it and then go with properties. Once you go with properties, you need to go with installed files, then click on verify integrity of game files. This will scan for any missing or corrupted files and it will automatically re-download them for you. Now, if the issue still continues, then I want you to go ahead and open up your browser, search for onlinefix64.dll. Click on the first one, which is this website. So make sure to choose the appropriate OS that you have. I have 64. Click on the details and then click on start download. It will provide you a zip file that you can extract. Once done, you can extract the files and then open the folder. Then you will have the onlinefix64.dll. You need to just right click on it, copy that, and then go back to your Steam, go with your library, and then right click on the game and go with the same procedure we did earlier. Go with the installed files and go with browse, which will be in the top right. From here, you need to paste that file that we've just copied earlier, and that should fix the issue. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.